How you guys doing? So now I'm going to be showing you the video of the new battle bot that I'm making. Alright. This one's going to be competing in a competition in Florida in November, along with this one that I had in my last competition. Wedge is currently off because I'm sanding it down and I'm going to repaint it, but here's this one. That one's a wedge. This one's going to be a drum spinner, hopefully. I will show you an outline of how I wanted the electronics and everything to go. Our two wheels, our drive motors. I decided to go with the Scorpion ESC, the same one that is in Sparrow over here, just because it's given me some decent, results so far. Here's our receiver, which is a temporary until the next one comes in, LED. Here's our connector piece, I'll explain that in a minute. Weapon ESC, and here's our brushless motor that we're trying out for the weapon. First time trying out one of these. Alright, so as predicted, the weapon motor fits inside, but there's not enough room for the weapon ESC, so we're gonna have to cat up something different for that. But here's the drive and the drive ESC in here, along with the receiver and the LED. Okay. So what I made here was a plug. So the ESC has a plug on it, and this ESC has a plug on it. Instead of making it all one, and this is just without the switch will come in later, I made this. Doesn't look the best, but it does the job. It's all heat shrinked and then extra electrical tape just because a lot of current's passing through here, alright? So we have to start our plug that the battery plugs into, alright? So this plugs in, and then from here, got our red, we got our black. This goes straight into the speed controller, okay? This one. But if the power is going from the battery to this speed controller, nothing's gonna go to this speed controller. So it breaks off into sort of a T shape and goes into here. I couldn't really find anything else online of how other people did it. So I know many people look how to do it, and here's a simple way of how to do it. And then connect the battery, and there's my weapon saying it's in. Got my LED in here. Special one I actually found online, as you could see, it's not staying the same color. It's a multicolor one, and when I saw it online, I just thought that it'd be cool. So we're going with that. Here's our drive. Here's our receiver. And let's see. So let it connect. So the weapon motors or the drive motors are not screwed in, but here they're working. And now the weapon. So as you see, very strong. But it's all working. Alright. So now the plan for later on is to have it all fit into the body. I will make another video when I get to that stage, and then I'll do a testing video and all that. But right now, I can show you Sparrow and just a few drive tests on Sparrow because we never really saw any drive tests before.
Go.